Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Think deleting files removes them forever? Not really. Let me show you how to erase them permanently. No one can recover them. In this video, I'll show you a powerful hidden Windows command called Cipher that can securely wipe deleted data. Cipher is a built-in Windows command line tool used for encryption and data security. But here's something many people don't know. It can also permanently delete leftover data from your drive. Even after you delete files normally, they can still be recovered using recovery software. Cipher fixes that by overwriting the free space on your drive. In this example, I'm using my USB drive here. Now follow these steps. Click on Start, search for command prompt. Right-click and select Run as administrator. Now type the command shown on your screen, Cipher/W:\G:\\. Make sure drive letter of U-disk. G: is my USB drive letter. Replace it. And press Enter. Now Windows will start the cleaning process. It may take some time depending on your disk size. Cipher will overwrite the free space multiple times, making old data almost impossible to recover. This command will not delete your current files. It only removes traces of previously deleted files. Don't interrupt the process once it starts. And remember, this method isn't limited to USB drives. You can also use it on internal hard drives or SSDs. That's it. Now your USB drive is clean and secure. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tech tips.